Uh, Good evening, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamotho. And today I want us to look at Pure Mathematics 1, and of course topic number 8. And we'll be looking at example 8, which is going to teach us more about differentiating functions with two or more terms. This is example 8 page, this is P1 page 161. And we are told that you can use the rule for differentiating AXN to differentiate functions with two or more terms. And you need to be able to rearrange each term into the form of AXN. You need to rearrange each and every time into this form, where A is a constant and N is a real number. Then you can differentiate the terms one at a time. And we are talking of, let's just have a general rule. If we have y is equals to fx plus or minus gx, these are two terms, then dy dx is equals to the derivative f prime x plus minus the other derivative of the other term. This is just a general rule. And I want us to look at example 8. Find dy dx when y is equals to 4x cubed plus 2x. It goes without saying that dy dx becomes 12x squared plus 2. 12, 3 times 4 is 12x. The power is reduced by 2. And that's like it. So part B of the same, you're talking about y is equals to x cubed plus x squared minus x power half. And in the same kind of reasoning, dy dx of this one becomes 3x squared. 3 times 1 is 3, x raised to power 2 plus 2x minus a half times minus 1 is minus a half, x, which is now raised to power a half minus 1 is minus a half. And you may leave that one that way. You may want to rearrange this one, but even when you write it that way, it's still okay. Let's go to part C. And part C talks of y is equals to a third x raised to power half plus 4x squared. And in the same kind of reasoning, dy dx becomes a half times a third is a sixth, x raised to power a half minus 1 is minus a half, plus 2 times 4, which is 8x raised to power 1. And it is this particular format we say we can rewrite it in form of 1 over 6 when x now becomes to the denominator position, x raised to power positive a half is the same as saying root x plus 8x, which is as simple as that. And that is just example 8. We may be able to look at example 9. I don't know whether we are able to look at example 9 in the same equation or in the same video, but fine, I'll explain it in a different video. Please take note. You need to know how to differentiate term after the other. Okay.